There's nothing wrong with your typical store-bought dry rub lemon pepper on wings. You want a dry wing, that's a good way to go. I like a messy wing. What can I say? I love dry lemon pepper, but I wanted to do something special for you guys. This is a world first. We're going to do lemon pepper sauce that's got liquid in it. We're using butter, just one of my favorite liquids. So this is kind of a take on a French Beurre Blanc sauce with lots of lemon and lots of black pepper. Beurre Blanc. So a good Beurre Blanc sauce has some shallot for aromatic. I'm going to use a clove of garlic as well. Just give that a crush. It doesn't matter how finely or coarsely you chop these, as they'll be discarded. We're just going to get some flavor out of them and strain it off at the end. So those are going in my pan, dry white wine. I'm going to do a couple tablespoons. Some lemon vinegar that I got at the Asian grocery store, but they also sell it at specialty shops, import shops. It's a little cheaper at the Asian grocery store. I'm going to juice about half this lemon as well. So we have 3 strong acids in a pot with shallots and a little bit of garlic. And we're just going to let this reduce. A Beurre Blanc is a butter sauce. The butter is suspended and emulsified in a small amount of liquid. So here we've got about a half a cup of liquid. We're going to go ahead and cook that way down to just a couple of tablespoons. Réduction. Why you got to do it this way? I don't know. It's old, it's French, I don't argue.
So you want that to reduce down almost to dry?
Almost to nothing, yeah. We'll strain the shallots and the garlic. Just waiting for this water to evaporate. What I really like about this one is once I've got the butter sauce done, I'll add our pepper and plenty of honey to really sweeten it up. I like a messy wing. What can I say? Never have I seen white wine and shallots and garlic go into a wing sauce before. This is a world first. And this is one of those sauces that you really hover over. That's why I haven't cranked the heat up. This pan shouldn't be too hot. So I try to cool the sides down with the liquid. And once it's ready, I'll really keep an eye on the heat. I may take it on and off the flame while I'm stirring in the butter pads. Just because like a Béarnaise or a Hollandaise, you don't want it to break. And that happens when the temperature gets too high. You know what? I'm going to go for it. The good thing about doing this as a wing sauce is this is bar casual food. No one's going to be heartbroken if your sauce breaks. Okay. So we'll do a few cubes at a time just to get it started. And now we're constantly stirring. You slowly melt the butter into the liquid. It emulsifies. A pretty low flame, as you can see. It's smelling very good. The shallots really make a big difference. And those 3 different acids we have, the lemon juice, the white wine, and the vinegar, really give this that nice sharp bite that you appreciate in a wing sauce. Nice and melted. It's just about warm enough. We don't need to boil it, but we do want to see some steam coming off it. We've got steam. Okay, so now we can strain this. Heat off the burner. Get our sauce back in there. Zest from 1 lemon, plenty of lemon zest. It's lemon pepper sauce after all. And some black pepper I just cracked, a generous tablespoon. And this is ready to go. Oh, wait a second. This is not ready to go. Right now, this is a really good sauce. You've seen a sauce like this put on top of fish. It's a just traditional French thing. Now to get it nice and tasty, we'll add a couple tablespoons of honey. And this just kind of balances out all the acidity and makes for a really tasty wing sauce. Now this holds on the stove no problem for as long as we're frying our cauliflower and chicken. If it gets a little cold, heat it up. Same deal. You don't have to let it boil, just get it nice and steamy.